Hi there and welcome to another episode of Money Moves with Debt Rescue, the channel where we help you move your money in the right direction. Minimalism isn't just about decluttering. It's a lifestyle change that can help you free up some money. So join us as we look at a couple of points in which we can declutter our lives and save some money. Step 1, letting go. Our first step towards living with less is decluttering your space. Take a close look at your possessions and ask yourself if they truly bring value and joy to your life. By letting go of unnecessary items, you can create a more organized and peaceful living environment. Moreover, decluttering can help you resist the temptation of impulsive purchases, ultimately reducing your overall expenses. Step 2, resisting temptation. The next way to lower costs through minimalism is by embracing a simpler lifestyle when it comes to shopping and consumption. Rather than succumbing to the allure of endless consumerism, adopt a mindful approach. Focus on purchasing only what you truly need and value. By resisting the temptation of unnecessary purchases, you can save money, reduce waste, and make more intentional choices that align with your values. Step 3. Evaluating spending habits. Our final step to lower costs through minimalism involves re-evaluating your spending habits and prioritizing experiences over material possessions. Instead of chasing the latest trends, consider investing in experiences that enrich your life. Allocate your resources towards travel, hobbies, or quality time with your loved ones. By shifting your mindset from acquiring things to cherishing moments, you'll discover that true happiness doesn't come from material possession alone. Living with less can lead to a more meaningful and abundant life. Until next time, embrace minimalism and enjoy the freedom it brings. Thank you for joining us in another episode of Money Moves with Debt Rescue. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave any comments that you would like us to do future topics on.